Week 2, day 4. It doesn't matter what day it is. We're gonna do ab workout. Own it. Let's do this. Oh, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and we're gonna finish the 2020 strong. You got this. Get a sack or slider or paper plate under your foot. Bring your knee in, other in, knee in, other in. Other foot is always floating in the air. Switch. Sliders under your hands. One hand up, out, down, back, up, out, down, back. Forward, side, down, back. Tuck your tailbone under. Do not move your feet at all. Don't sway your bum. Switch. Lie down on your back, feet straight up on top of your hip joint. You're gonna bring your bum twisted up to the left, bring your bum up to the right. Keep your leg on top of your hip joint. Don't bring it too close to the face. Lie down on your side of a bum cheek, right side. Bring your legs together, up, make a V. Let's go other side. Lie down on the flat part of your bum cheek. Bring your legs up. Make a V on the side. or hanging in there. You can do this. Lie down on your back, your knees, top of your hip joint, your shins parallel to the floor. Left leg, right arm goes out, and opposite side goes out. Push your lower back down to the floor. Belly buttons in. Don't make a feet drop. Extend your leg with the heels. Stay on your back. Your heels down on the floor whole time. Your fingertips coming between your legs to the left, in the middle, to the right. Keep your hands between your knees, close to the knees. Don't let the shoulder goes down. Sit up. Bring your shin parallel to the floor. Bring your knees to the chest. Your hands close to the legs is harder. Keep your knees and shin parallel to the floor. You can do this. Bring it in and out. There you go. You got this. Assume the push-up position. Bring your legs in, come up to catch the ball, go back to plank, catch the ball. Go down on your belly. Keep your toes on the floor whole time. Chest up, squeeze your bum cheeks. Bring your one arm around to the leg. Other side. Lower back workout. Lower back is part of your core. Let's do this. Keep your toes on the floor. You are done, my dears. Come on up for a belly stretch. Up dog. Bring your neck out. Push your hands down. Now wide feet, wide knees. Big toes touch. Child pose. Sit on your heels. Sink in. Nicely done. I will see you tomorrow again. So get back here. Oh, subscribe it. Don't forget. Let's finish it strong, you and I. Bye.